Valuable fans, friends, ladies and gentlemen, masantos siyang araw mga sikatay namin. Good afternoon. Welcome to Governor Ramon B. Gico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. This is match number 38 of Central Conference played between Municipality of Basista and your Municipality of Bangaldan. The national referees for this match, our first referee, Sir Celson Santiago. And our second referee, Sir Crisanto de Guzman. Players, coaches, technical officials, good luck and keep the ball flying.
Yang araw magsikayon amin Pangasinenses. We are still live here at the Calasiao Sports Complex for another thrilling game here at the Central Conference Men's Division. And for our game 2, Municipality of Basista with 2-2 record versus Municipality of Mangaldan with 1-3 record. So volleyball fans, let's see kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo on our second game. It is a Municipality of Basista or it is a Municipality of Mangaldan. We will see that later. Kaya naman, i-comment nyo na Pangasinense kung sinong team ang inyong sinusuportahan. Again, this is Marnian Fabito, your courtside reporter, and let the game 2 begin.
May sama ka picture tayo nila. First shot dyan, paano pa eh. First shot dyan ay. Yun lang. Live man. Ate. Magandang hapon sa ating live viewers. Masantos yang aram. Embagang alam kinyayo amin and you're still watching Governor Ramon B. Guico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. And we are here now at our second match between the Municipality of Mangaldan facing the Municipality of Basista. And the first point there, service ace right away. Resultay. And nice up there. Jaws at the net. And Kitlong to Caranto. Nice up by the libero. And the combination play works for Malanom. And nice set there. At nalito yung blockers ng Team Basista. Isa lang ang sumabay there for the combination play. Nice pass coming from Sabangan. Quick set to JR De Guzman. Malanon to the quick. Sabangan with a dive. And shoot set now to Caranto. Nice up there. And chance again to Caranto. And a net touch for Seth Sibayan. Sorry, Seth Jimenez from Umingan National High School. Also represented the Region 1 on palarong pambansa. Tumalano now, single block for Caranto. Living all alone there at basang-basa yan ni Caranto. Short pass there. To Malanon, younger Malanon. Caranto trying. No good. Back to Malanon. And point for the younger Malanom rather. And our score now is a 3 serving 2. At ang Kuya Malanom now on deck. The lefty with a jump serve straight to the net.
Tawagin niyo siya. Kasama niyo siya. Tawagin mo.
And Basista now on deck to serve. Nice pass to Malanom. Delayed by the blockers. Result ay shoot set to Kitlong. Deflected. And Malanom trying. But it went outside. That was too strong. Caranto now. And a service ace. At iniwasan ni Jimenez ang service na yon. And akala tuloy ni Malanom kukunin ni Jimenez ang short ball na yon. And turns to a service ace for Caranto. Nice reception to the quick Jimenez. Deflected by the blockers. Result tie to Sabangan. And bump now. Gagawa ng paraan. Still alive. Malanom down the line ni hit. Coming from Malanom. At ang taas ng talon neto ni Malanom. Although he's not the tall player pero napakataas niyang tumalon. Nice reception there. Result ay shoot set to Kitlong. Denied the coverage there coming from Basista. Nice up coming from Seth Jimenez. Malanom trying once again. And Kitlong trying also. Nice up. Bodies on the floor. Sabangan. Back to him. The team captain with the stare down. At ang agang stare down to para sa koponan ng Team Basista. And 6 serving 4 ang ating tally sa ating opening set.
Ate Cara.
Malanom cross court. Finding the corner for Malanom. And 1 point advantage here for Team Basista. Sabangan. To the quick result tie. Nice set. No look set there. No look set coming from result tie. To the quick babawi. And the pancake is not good there for the libero of Team Basista. And the team setter of mga down now on deck means 3 spikers here in front. Sabangan being the setter. Result ay attacking. But ready doon ang team Mangaldan. And a point now for Mangaldan. And Sabangan now playing setter. And misreception there. Kitlong ibabalik. Aquino combination play. Delayed by the blockers. Kitlong down the line. Malanom was there. To the open. Vergara. Too much angle para sa palong yon. Aquino to Vergara, papabawiin, denied. Malanom, too strong or yes, that's the correct call. Check ball there. Blockers of Team Basista. And first deadlock here at our opening set. Nice pass. Sabangan to Resultay off the block. And the setter now is converted as an opposite attacker. And Sabangan now playing setter here. Aquino, back set to Malanom. Denied by Caranto. One-on-one there for Caranto. Another denial there for Team Basista. Dahil dyan tatawag ng timeout ang Team Mangaldan. And back to our live action here. Combination play, well read. Another kill block from Team Basista. And shout out tayo mula sa bayan ng Santa Barbara, CJ Torno. Magandang hapon. Happy watching. And a short serve with an help of the net. And 5-point advantage right now. 13 serving 8. Manawis with a good pass. And Sabangan now adjusting. Resultay. No good. At isiset ngayon kay Resultay. Denied there by Jimenez. And Christian De Vera is in now for Mangaldan. At bumalasa na ang coaching staff ng Team Mangaldan. Nice pass to the quick. J.R. De Guzman. He's not the tallest middle blocker, pero he can jump high, and that's his advantage. Malanom, dog there, and a push coming from the team captain, and a check ball there. And babalik ngayon si Resultay as setter and Sabangan as an opposite attacker. And Pascua now is in to serve for Malanom. And a service ace right away for Pascua. And Pascua once again overpass. De Vera going to Malanon down the line with a wrist Wrist action there for Malano. And Kirk Pasqua giving a two consecutive good service. Float serve. Handled well. To the quick. To J.R.T. Guzman once again. Three blockers there. At walang nagawa ang depensa ng Mangaldan sa palong yan. Caranto now on deck. Manawis with a good pass. One hand set by De Vera. But no good. Shoot set now to Kitlong. Flame shot there for Kitlong. And Sabangan now is talking to our first referee. Resulta to the quick once again. J.R.T. Guzman with the back-to-back points for him. And he's really contributing sa ating first opening set. J.R.T. Guzman, really consistent. Manawis with the misreception. Malanom off the block. And then speaking of consistent, Malanom is also consistent in the side of Team Mangaldan. Really punishing the defense of Team Basista. And Basista now hitting De Vera to Vergara. And denied by the team captain Sabangan. And a kill rejection there. Established na ang two blockers ng Team Basista. And Sabangan now, let's see kung magiging setter siya dito. And yes, magiging setter nga siya to the quick. But this time, a kill block mula dito sa Team Mangaldan. And babalik na dito si Malanom, the lefty. And Christian De Vera serving. Too short, or it didn't go over for Christian De Vera. And sa mga kaka-tune in lang po, this is our second match to our Governor Ramon V. Guico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. Second matchup lamang po ito at marami pa po tayong aabangan. We have 3 more match-up after this. Kaya naman tumutok lang po kayo at sumuporta sa inyong mga paboritong koponan. And right there, a kill block at isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Basista, and timeout called by Team Basista. Nice pass. Resulta ay combination play. And too strong. At dahil dyan, deadlock tayo sa ating first set. At parami na tayo ng parami sa ating venue. Dahil marami tayong exciting games na aabangan mamaya. And Aquino, hindi na naabot ni Aquino yan. And point for Team Basista now. A substitution. Salgado in to serve for Mamaradlo. And of course, he's there to sweep the floor. Nice serve, Carino. De Vera to Malanom. Result tayo was a 1-2 play for De Guzman. Deflected by the blockers. And nice up coming from Malgado. And a miscommunication for Team Mangaldan. Nice up there coming from Salgado. At tama ang desisyon ng coaching staff na ipasok si Salgado with that defense. Another strong serve coming from him. Back set now to Malanom. And Resultay with a 1-2 play, denied at the net. At
Round volleyball tournament.
sayang ang play na yon for Resultay. Sabangan shoot now. To Caranto down the line. To the quick. Sid Jimenez. Punishing the defense of Team Basista. Malanom now. Jump serve. Nice decision for Aragon to letting that ball go. And substitution here. Agbuya. And in now. For Kitlong. Caranto. Carino with a good pass. De Vera at Malanom adjusting. And that's it. It's too tight. And tatawag ngayon ng final timeout ang Team Mangaldan. Back to the ball game and 2 points away for securing the first set for Basista. Malanom in a good pass. De Vera to Malanom and Resultay hahabulin. Agbuya push and set. Now with the tip. 2 points away to securing this set for Team Basista and 2 points ang hahabulin ng Team Mangaldan, and Jordan Mislang is in for Team Mangaldan. Agbuya and really contributing here. Kakapasok lang ni Agbuya right there. And Salgado out and Mamaradlo in now. JR De Guzman now. Carino with a short pass, Jordan. Setting to Malanon. Malanon with a strong attack, cross-court kill. And Vergara babalik sa ating ball game. Malanom. Nice receive there. A combination play. Agbuya ending our first set. What a nice set there coming from Resulta. It was an excellent set. And Agbuya really answering the call of Resulta. And the first set, 25-20. 22 rather. Back here at our live action, you're still watching Governor Ramon V. Guico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. And recap lang tayo, Basista winning the first set. And Mangaldan is trying to extend our match. This is our second game sa ating Sunday schedule. At sa ating viewers online, kung may gusto ko yung ipa-shoutout, i-comment nyo lang po sa ating comment section. And later on, babasahin natin yan. First serve, Resultay. De Vera to combination play to Vergara, denied. De Vera aggressively attacking and back row attack. No good. Banawi's bump now to Vergara. And Bustarde bump also to Caranto. And the ball is still alive. Jaus. Net touch by Vergara. And the first point, long rally there. At nanggigil doon si Vergara with a Jaus. Resulta with a float. De Vera, back row now to Malanon. Resulta is ready. Drop for Caranto and a save for Mangaldan. High save for Pascua. And a combination play. But another error for Team Mangaldan. And sayang yon, yung save na yon mula dito sa koponan ng Team Mangaldan. It was a good hustle. Pero net touch nga lang tong blockers ng Team Mangaldan. Nice pass for Kirk and a shoot set. Pero hindi nagkamuyan doon. To the quick, JR Di Guzman. Block. Resulta to the team captain. Using the hands of the blockers. point for Basista. And 3 serving 1 at ngayon Aquino now in for De Vera. And change of player here para sa kupunan ng Team Mangaldan. Resultay with a float serve. Aquino bump now to Vergara with a heavy hand. Point for Vergara there. And a first point for Team Mangaldan with that powerful hit coming from Vergara. Aquino float serve with a short serve rather. Nice up coming from Manawis. Nice defense showing by Team Mangaldan. Pero yun lang. An error committed by Malanom. It was a nice save for Malanom. For Manawis rather. And Manawis with a good pass. Aquino to Kirk Pasqua. Agbuya. And Manawis is ready. Vergara with a tip. Still alive. And Jimenez. Too strong. At dahil dyan, timeout ngayon ng Team Mangaldan. Back to the ball game. And almost an ace there. 4 point cushion mula dito para sa kupunan ng Team Basista. And a block kick save coming from Sabangan, and Sabangan attacking. Aquino to Pasqua adjusting. Resultay to Agbuya. And underneath the ball. Outside for Agbuya. And 2 serving 5. Our tally. Seth Jimenez from Umingan National High School, and De Guzman once again. Nilihis niya na yung bolang yun. And using the hands of the blockers. Really a smart attacker coming from Team Basista. And he's on deck to serve. Aquino to Pasqua. Medyo mataas yun para sa kanya. And Resultay shoots it to Agbuya. Nice one-hand save coming from Manawis. And ibabalik ngayon ni Vergara. And sayang, hindi na naibalik ang bolang yon. And shout out of course to the team captain of Santa Barbara. They are now 4-0 in the record. Kyle Ocean. And meron silang game later on against Mapandan. Kaya suportahan po natin ang ating mga atleta dito sa ating Intertown Volleyball League 2026. Nice up there from Mananom. Joust there, won by Sabangan. Kirk once again with the stare down. At Pasqua now giving a look. At let's see kung yan ang magiging spark plug dito sa ating second set. Resultay to Sabangan with a kill rejection. Malanom. And 3-point advantage now for Team Basista. Nice pass. And Sabangan with the tip, pero yun lang. Sumabit sa net itong si Malanom. Medyo aggressive si Malanom na mag-block doon. The team captain now. Manawis with a good pass. Kirk Pasqua. And too strong for him. And he's admitting his error. Sabangan with a good serve. Aquino to Malanon. But Bustarde was there. And no. 4 touches called for Team Basista. Nice eye coming from our first referee. At ang resulta with a 1-2 play. Manawis ready. Malanom delayed by the blockers. Shoot set now to Agbuya. And what a nice standing defense there for Pasqua. And Pasqua is really enjoying the game right now. And he is the life of Team Mangaldan. Really giving an energy dito para sa ating game. Misdeception there. Agbuya with a tip. Mananom there. And kneeling set. And Mananon! Down the line attack. Recognizing he has only one blocker in front of him. And at dahil dyan, napatawag ng timeout ang Team Basista. Back to the ball game. Our score now is 7 serving 9. Still on deck, Kirk Pasqua. Resultay to Agbuya. Aquino now finding Mananom. And a overset coming from Resultay. Kirk Pasqua still on deck. At kanina pa nagsaserve itong si Kirk Pasqua. Nice pass. Sabangan. Combination play. At Resultay back as a attacker here para sa koponan ng Team Basista. And nag-work yan kanina early on in our first set. And Sabangan now play a setter for Team Basista. Aquino to the quick. And hahabulin ngayon ni Resultay. Nice save there. And chance. And a nice call. A great call coming from our referee. At hindi na daw dapat nasa outside pa rin niya ng antena. Kaso, or rather, yung pagpasok ni Resultay, it's penetration dito coming from Resultay. It was a good save, kaso nga, penetration called here. Resultay now to the opposite. And once again, papabawiin si Resultay, delayed by the blockers. Aquino to Malanon, using the hands of the blockers. At buhay na ang crowd ng Mangaldan sa ating venue. And we are tied now at and the service error from Aquino. Sayang. The momentum shifted to Mangaldan now. And they don't need that kind of error dahil kailangan nila ang second set na to for them to extend this match. Malanom again. But a net touch there. And deadlock once again at 11. Malanom now on deck. Nice pass coming from Sultay. JR Guzman. And still alive. No call there, says our referee. At si Bat ngayon. Pero outside. Ball out. At Kalamangan ngayon mapupunta sa koponan ng Team Mangaldan. Nice defense there coming from Mangaldan. Malanon again with a heavy serve. Sabangan to De Guzman. And chance to score here. Caranto, cross court. Manawi is ready. And to the quick. Jimenez, no good. Caranto! Denied by Jimenez. And what a wall providing by Jimenez. And don't look now, 2-point advantage for Team Mangaldan. Resultay, babalikan ngayon down the line. Resultay now at the service line. So means to say, he's back as setter. And the team captain Sabangan is an opposite attacker now. Manawis with a short pass, bump now to the open, denied. Aquino. And Aquino is hurt now and saying he's okay. At natamaan itong si Aquino sa kanyang shoulder. But he's okay. It's a good sign na he's okay. He can play. Pascua to Principe now. Cross court. And still alive. Resultay. And that ball will not go over. And substitution now. Principe out and our starting 6 Vergara in. Mangaldan serving, nice pass. Resultay to Caranto with the tip. Manawis to Pascua, off speed, nice dive there. And Sabangan, cross court attack. And credit to that point to Aragon with an excellent dive. Manawis again with a steady pass. Vergara outside, no check there. And Kalamangan ulit babalik sa koponan ng basista. Pascua now improvising. At isa pa daw for Pascua. And went too short for Pascua. And 2 point now, 2 point advantage for Team Basista. And this is everybody's ball game. Combination play. Bustardi was there. Agbuya, nice adjust. Back row to Malanom. Too strong for Malanom. Ball out there. And nice defense showing by Bustardi here. At ngayon, babalik na ang kaluwete ng team Mangaldan. The lefty Malanom in. 17 serving 14 now. Manawis with a short pass once again. Malanom. And outside. And timeout for Team Mangaldan. Back to our live action here. 4-point advantage ngayon, hawak ng Team Basista. And overpass, still alive. Nice presence of mind there. Malanom the lefty. Bustardi steady there. De Guzman with the tip. And Aquino going to Malanom. Delayed by the blockers. A shoot set to Agbuya now. Through the blocks. And Team Basista now is pulling away. And Christian De Vera is back now to the ball game. Caranto now on deck. Nice serve. De Vera with kneeling sit. And Malanom adjusting. Sabangan, the team captain. De Vera. Vergara. And Vergara there. Tallies a point. And 16 serving 19 right now. And this is not yet over. Pwede pang makahabol ang Team Mangaldan dito. Let's see. And nice defense coming from De Vera. Vergara with the tip. And Bustardi now. Bump now to Agbuya. No. Malanom. The lefty answering the cause. And 2 points advantage now mula dito sa Team Basista. And let's set Jimenez now. Resulta shoot set to Agbuya. De Vera was there, but there's no follow-up. And point for Agbuya. We are now at crucial part of our game. Sino ang kakapit at sino ang patuloy na magbibigay ng kumpiyansa para sa ating third and final set. De Guzman, sharp serve. Malanom adjusting. And he was trying na ipacheck sa kamay ng mga blockers, but it was too tight at nice decision for Agbuya na hindi na mag-commit ng block. And that ball went outside. And score now for Team Basista. 4 points away to securing this match. De Vera quick overset there. De Vera once again, Malanom denied by Mamaradlo. And Mamaradlo will a kill block. De Vera to the middle, Aquino, no good. Result tie to the team captain adjusting. Denied Isabangan there. And 18 serving 13. To the middle, Mamaradlo. Nice up coming from Manawis. And a chance ball here. Once again, Mamaradlo. At binalikan to ni Resultay and Mamaradlo answering the call of Resultay. Nice connection there. And 2 points away. Now, back set to Resultay. No good, De Vera. To Malanon. And point for Team Mangaldan. And substitution, Pascua now. Babalik dito sa ating action. And let's see if he can make a miracle sa ating second set. Sabangan. Agpuya. And what's the call there? And there's no point awarded yet. And let's see if ano ang decision ng ating referee. And a check ball called. And right now, De Vera is talking to our first referee, saying there's no check. And point there for Team Basista. And this is Christian De Vera still arguing with our referee. They need that point. That's why they cannot let go easily. At puntos mapupunta dito sa Team Basista. And as match point, Team Basista now. Salgado, Vergara, and bomb set, beautiful bomb set. And this could be it. Resultay with a drop. Manawis was there. And the Chaos is still alive. Salgado once again. And to the quick. And a net touch by Caranto. Over. And one hand set. Nice set coming from Sabangan. One hand set. And that concludes our second set. And match goes to Team Basista. Our second set, 25-20.
For the team Basista, jersey
our,
number 12.
Player of the game. Let's meet now our player of the game.
What an intense game we just watched here at Game 2. Volleyball fans, palitan ng score, powerful spikes, solid blocks, and also a floor defense ang pinakita ng both teams. Pero Basista gets the win on this match and now 2-4 record. And joining me right now is the best player of the game from the winning team. Jersey number 12, Adrian Agbuya, having 5 attacks and 1 block. Total of 6 points. So, kita namin na nakuha nyo ang panalo in just 2 straight wins. Pero syempre, hindi naman yun ganun kadali. Since kita din namin na palitan lang kayo ng score ng both teams, ano ang nag-challenge or nagpahirap sa inyo against Team Mangaldan?
Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan ng mayor namin, Mayor Jolly Arroselio from Basista. And maraming salamat po sa team ko. Hindi ko to ma-achieve kung wala sila. Tapos yung, ano nga po din?
Ano yung nag-challenge or nagpahirap sa inyo against Team Mangaldan?
Na-challenge lang naman po kami sa, sa mga attack sila na mga power, yun lang po.
Yan, as a dominator on this matchup against Mangaldam, paano mo naman na-handle yung pressure sa loob ng court?
Ano lang po, tiwala lang po sa sarili, yun lamang po.
And again, congratulations for winning.
And of course, here with me, syempre, one of the player na nag-excel sa kanilang match, our setter mula po sa Team Basista, Resultay. And of course, hindi lang siya naging setter kanina, but also naging opposite attacker din siya. And it works for Team Basista. And I would like to ask lang, yung ganun bang change of play nyo, galing ba yun sa training or ngayon lang yan lumapas sa laro?
Actually po, meron na po kaming idea na gagawin po namin sa mismong game yun. Pero hindi po namin siya nagagawa nung mga nakaraang laro po namin. Pero gusto po namin siyang i-apply sa mismong laro po. Kaso kulang po talaga ng chemistry. Yan lang po.
And that works for your team na naging opposite attacker ka and your team captain sa Bangan plays as setter. And this time naman sa tingin mo, ano yung nag-improve sa team nyo at naipanalo nyo ang game na to?
Siguro po, yung teamwork po and yung sa mismong laro po, communication po.
Alright, thank you so much. So partner, I will get this of course opportunity syempre bigyan natin ng oportunidad ng ating mga players syempre na mag-shout out at pasalamatan ng kanilang supporters. And this time mag-start tayo sa ating player of the game.
Gusto ko lamang pong i-shoutout yung unang-una family ko, yung mga nanonood, si Papa, lalo si Papa. Tapos kay Sir Odolon, hey! Pahihi!
And of course, Resultay, anyone you want to shout out, gusto mong i-shout out na pasalamatan sa ating live?
Gusto ko lang po mag-shoutout sa buong nanonood po sa amin, lahat ng sumusuporta, lalong-lalo na po kay Mayor Jerry Rosuelio.
Thank you so much. There you have it, our player of the game. And of course, Resultay here with us. And that concludes our second match. Basista getting their win sa ating Sunday schedule. Kaya po, tumutog lamang po kayo right after ng ating commercial. We'll witness the battle of Team Orvis Tondo facing Team and a season. And dyan lamang po kayo for more volleyball action. This is your live commentator, Nash Austria.
And I am Marnia V. Favito.
Pangasinan,
Ang
ang galing.